Yeah. Fish on. Dude. Oh, he dropped it. Did you hear that? Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Welcome to this edition of Saltwater Spirit, where our motto is no stress, tight lines. Out here on the Trinity Bay today, was invited through my job to a tournament, which is actually next week, so decided to get the team together. The Banger brothers and myself and Marcus decided to come on out today, do a little pre-fishing. So we're in the Trinity Bay area. We're going to drift some of these rigs, kind of see what's going on, try to find some spots so next week during the tournament we can jump right on it. So y'all stay tuned. Check out the video. We hope you enjoy it. Remember, keep God first. And also remember, no stress, tight lines. Fish on. That thing hit as soon as my line hit the ground, the water. You know, it ain't come up yet, but it does kind of feel head shakes. Yes, trout. Can you grab that net for me? Get that net for me? I got it. Come on over here. Come on. Get on. Ah. I got that. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's one for the stringer right there. That's one for the stringer. Yeah, looks like he's about 18. That was on a popping cork. Hey, let me see that boger grip. There you go. Settle down, Beavis. Settle down. You gonna keep some fish today? Almost 16. He's legal. So I guess we'll throw him on ice. Alright, starting the day off. There we go. Nice little 16. Beautiful color to him. Nice size. This bad boy was caught on a live shrimp under a popping cork. I'm thinking, seeing how we're in like 10 foot of water, maybe I'll lengthen my leader. Because you figure I'm fishing in the upper third, and fish I'm seeing are a little bit below that. So, oh, I make me a new leader. I'm gonna cast this puppy out and just see if that big red will come by and slap it while I'm making the leader. What I like to do is keep my drag nice and loose. Yeah. So if that bad boy hits it, take what you want, man. Oh, fish on, baby. Fish on. Fish on. Yes, sir. Not sure what it is yet. Make sure it's net worthy. Yes, sir. Net, please.
Oh.
No, he's still on. I just need net. Quickly need a net. Don't want to lose him. Trey Troutman, baby. Who's the Troutman? Trey is.
Trey is. Who's your Troutman?
There you go. Top there. Top. That's a male. That's a male. You hear that croaking? That's a male. I think he already spit the hook out. Now look at that, right in the corner of his mouth.
Ain't going nowhere. Good job.
Thank you, thank you. For the team, man, for the team. I told old Jonesy. I said, Jonesy, don't talk that stuff. We gonna place in this tournament. Nice trout right there. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty. Should be able to hear that croaking. Get her on over to the tape measurement. See what she's looking like. 17 inch keep. If you see it's a trout, let me know. I'll grab a net. Huh? Is it a red? I don't see color, Marcus. I don't see color. I see him pulling your line though. That could be a red, dog. Huh? Alright. I'm gonna go above and around you because I don't want to mess you up. Come back here, man, so this camera gets you. Yeah, that's red. Yes, sir, that's Marcus G. Go back to the back where the camera is, man, so they can see you do you. Do you like only you do you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's keeper red, baby. That's keeper red. Bring them to me. Bring them to me, Marcus. Not like that. Right in the mouth. That's keeper. And so that's what we need for the stringer, baby. Yeah. That's what, hey, all about it, man. Banger Brothers, baby. Banger Brothers. That's a very good one for the stringer, man. I guarantee that's about 23, maybe 24. Yeah. But you look at his girth, man. Cool. Let me get a picture of you right quick, my brother. Fish on. I saw that go down. Yes, sir. Did you hear me say fish on, MG? I saw you go down, baby.
What you got?
It feels very trout-like. It is very trout-like. Get the net for me, please. That's the biggest one yet. Coming at you. Who's the man? You can throw him right up here on the deck. Throw him up here on the deck. That's a big one.
Go up here.
Leave it. Go ahead, put him over there. Put him over there so that he's out of your way. I'm trying to get him out your way as well as mine.
Oh, I'm
That's a good 18 though. 19 probably. You see, longer leader, get it down there a little bit deeper and got a bigger fish.
Okay. I see ya.
See, that's what we need for the tournament, man. Feel the weight on that.
Oh, yeah.
That's what they're going off of, is weight.
Yeah.
Look at that gut. Look at that gut on him. That's a Trey Troutman special. Looking like me. That's a nice one. That is a beautiful fish. Look at them colors, that iridescent back, all them spots. That mouth. Oh! Get him down to the measuring tape. 18, I called it. 18.
I want to thank everybody for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It's a great day to be out fishing. Just two friends hanging out, having a good time. Stay tuned to the channel. We should be releasing a video of the tournament next week. I hope y'all enjoy that, see how we did. Take care, be safe, and God bless.